Hello guys, there's a lot of queries like if I submitted my application, how I review. Many of people were questioning and asking again how we can review. Then you have to review your request like you are done with ECFMG certification, account establishment. Just when you open your MyIntealth account, there is one of your home, my profile, documents. In my case, you have to click on my cases. When you click on my cases, then this page will appear on which your cases request will be shown. All the things will be displayed here, like what you have to for which thing you applied, when it is applied, if there's any action needed, no needed, anything, everything. There is a case traces like it is rejected, it is accepted, account is established. All the thing will be here. For all the reviews, you guys go to my case request, click on my cases, and you get all the information about your ongoing procedures, ongoing applications. There's a last thing, how many days the MyIntealth will take to accept your application. Most of cases they mention we are process one application in 3 weeks, but according to reviews from the student, your application will be accepted or reviewed within 1 week. Okay, within 1 week working days, no, like in 7 working days. So don't be worried. If you're having any queries or any problem, you just go to the my contacts, like contact us, and message there. They will be respond to you.